It's a delicious way to start your morning, and it only takes about 5 minutes to make. Just grab some protein powder, your favorite fruit, a liquid base, and you can make an easy protein shake. And one thing to not forget, it's a secret ingredient that can help boost your immunity. So let's say you're looking for a protein boost and you open up the refrigerator and the freezer and you've got no fresh or frozen meat. This Good Morning Protein Shake, that is going to be exactly what you want to go to. So I'm going to walk you through it, and I've combined some of the steps to make this go a little quicker. So the first thing I want to talk about is your base. So I started with quite a bit of water and then a little bit of almond milk, but let's say that you wanted to use oat milk or regular milk. It's all good. You can actually even just use it with water. It's really a preference thing. Now, the next thing you want to do is move on to your protein powder. So I get my protein powder based on flavor and on nutrients. Now, let's talk about the protein count. 24 grams of protein and less than 3 grams of sugar. That's a lot of bang for your buck. So again, I love this, but you, of course, can use any type of protein that you already have at your house. Now, the next thing you want to add in are some bananas. So here I've cut up half of a small banana. I'm just going to scoop that right into the base of my blender. Now, the next thing I'm going to use are blueberries. Now, of course, you can use another sort of berry, something that's just going to give it a little bit of sweetness. If you felt like maybe your shake didn't turn out as sweet as you'd like, you could also use stevia or another type of sweetener. But of course, again, blueberries, fresh or frozen, that's an excellent choice. But I wanted to show you that you could use anything like strawberries, raspberry, really whatever you have at your house. Now, the next thing that I'm going to recommend doing right now is adding in one of these little vitamin C packs. Of course, I got this from Walgreens, but really pretty much every store has their own version of it. And it's just good to go ahead and add in a little vitamin C right now to help boost your immunity. And you're going to go ahead and pour that in and screw on the top, just so simple. Again, you can see that this has just taken me a couple minutes. You can shake it up a little bit if you'd like. Go ahead and put your blender together. Okay, that looks about mixed up. You're going to untwist, and there it is. Cheers to a happy morning. Well, it was actually kind of funny. The first time I tried filming that, it went all over my floor, but it is safe to say I have perfected it by now.